60 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. What is the value for this expression? So let's solve. So first we will see incorrect solution. So your question is 60 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. So here this will get cancelled. 60 divided by 1, which is 60. But this is incorrect answer. So what is the value for this expression, the correct value? So let's solve the correct solution. 60 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. So here you know the PEMDAS rule, order of operation, which is PEMDAS. So here first we do parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. In multiplication division, you have to remember both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So here division and multiplication is there. As you know, both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Means first we will solve the this part, 60 divided by 1 by 2. So next KCF rule, which is keep, change, flip. Means in this you have to keep the first fraction as it is, change the sign, division is there so multiplication will come, and flip this fraction, that is 2 by 1 times 2. Now multiply 60 into 2 into 2, which is 240. So 240 is the correct value for this expression.